Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 208. This car comes with a really nice specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices. You can also use that USB connection for MirrorLink, which is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can mirror things like your satellite navigation on your phone up onto the screen in the car. You've also got air conditioning as well as rear parking aids, including a colour camera and this lovely glass panoramic roof above my head. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.